Hey Freedom Crusaders, in this video I'm gonna talk about how you can start your home business with the affiliate zone, affiliate quick start. You don't have to care about that techie stuff, and you can start right now. You just watch these 4 videos and get started the easy way. As I said, you don't have to care about tech stuff. You can start in 10 minutes and you only need to have 2 sales to be in positive cash flow. So it's really easy going. Just watch the 4 videos and do it step by step, and you get started. If you have any questions, then there you go to frequently asked questions section. There's a ton of questions here. If you don't find your answer, you can go to the community support. You can go to the Facebook group and ask there, and as my experience is, you get answers in seconds. Yeah, here you can click here and go to the Facebook group. Yeah, as I said, just watch the 4 videos and get started in 10 minutes. Every step is shown here, what to do. If you have any questions, go to the frequently asked questions section, or just type in the Facebook group your question, and this question is answered in yeah, nearly seconds. Yeah, it's an easy start, a fairly quick start. Just follow the steps, and you don't have to care about the tech stuff. Yeah, it's all built for you. Just follow the instructions, click, and get started. Yeah, if you like the video, do me a favor and subscribe my channel and give me a comment, and that's it. Bye for now.